You are watching Tech on Tech and I'm Savvy. Today we are back with another video, so let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about is the iPhone 5s worth buying in 2018. iPhone 5s was released on September 2013 along with its lower counterpart, the iPhone 5C. The 5s introduced the A764-bit dual-core system on chip, the first 64-bit processor to be used on the smartphone, accompanied by the M7 Motion coprocessor. The redesigned home button with Touch ID, a fingerprint recognition system which can be used to unlock the phone and authenticate App Store and iTunes Store purchases, was introduced. It was a great smartphone back then, but now in 2018 you have to keep few things in mind before thinking of buying it. Most probably, iPhone 5s will not get iOS 12, so you can use it till September 2018 with up-to-date firmware. Apple Pay is not supported as there's no NFC. And in 2018 most of the payment apps and POS machines equipped with NFC. It heats up a lot while playing heavy games. Battery life is quite awful. I have to charge this phone twice in a day, and the saddest part is iPhone 5s is not eligible for reduced price battery replacement. Camera is kinda okay with few basic features and slow-mo. Here it is. So I will suggest you to go for iPhone 6s or 7. That's it for today. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until then, peace out.